Good morning. So I'm gonna do a day in the life type video today. I just thought it would be fun today because we have swim and some stuff going on. So it might be a busy day, I don't know. We might go to Target. We'll see what the day has in store. But right now, baby girl is eating her breakfast. What do you have? She's got toast with strawberry cream cheese, a blend of blueberries, strawberries, and blazeberries. It's like a raspberry that's blazed by the sun. She's got her big girl water cup because she loves big girl cups. Hi, gorgeous. We love your toast. Yeah? Good. My house is a disaster. I think that baby girl has 4 molars coming in. I think her tops and bottom molars are coming in at the same time. So she's been having a rough go. I look really tired. She woke up at like 5:20 crying. She didn't wake up for the morning. She just cried for like 20-30 seconds in her sleep. But of course it woke me up. So I had a hard time like going back to sleep. And I had a really long work day yesterday and the day before, so I've just been like super burnt out. Right now we're getting ready to go to swim. I will try to film a little at swim. I don't know if I'll be able to. Then we'll come home. She'll go down for her first nap. I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna try to edit a little bit of a video. Then I'm thinking we're gonna go to lunch and Target. Today is already off to a frustrating start. We've had a meltdown over a stroller, a baby doll stroller. He rolled the toilet paper and had a very messy poopy diaper and wouldn't sit still and was getting it everywhere and trying to touch it. And she wouldn't listen to me when she was trying to grab something. So I had to raise my voice, which I've learned today works. Because every time I talk to her, even in a like this type of like tone, it doesn't work with her. She still continue doing whatever it is she's doing. She does not care like if you sound mad or not. So I actually like yelled and she stopped in her tracks, walked away from what she was doing. How you doing back there, big girl? She always has her foot. Can you guys see that? Her foot hanging off the side of her car seat. All right, girly girl is ready for swim. Are you ready for swim? Are you ready for swim? Huh? Can you say hi? The stress of swim. Gracie, did you have fun at swim? Hey, no, stay in here. Come here. Swim was a success. She did so good. We went under a lot today, which always kind of stresses me out, but it was good. There's the sweetest girl in our swim class, and she's got a little one that's the same age as her. She's one of those people that it's like you want to be mom friends with, but like I don't know how to ask her to be my mom friend. Like that's where I'm at. Like, can we be mom friends or it's funny. Maybe next time I'll work up the courage to ask her if she wants to be mom friends. How do you ask somebody that? Like I feel like we're working our way up to that. Like we're the ones that talk in class and stuff like that. Have you guys ever tried this juice? This is the Amazon Superfood juice from Samazon. It is so good. I don't know if you've ever had the little packets that you make, the frozen ones to make like acai bowls or smoothies and stuff with, but it tastes almost exactly the same but in juice form, and I love it. Definitely recommend giving it a try. I got this big one at Costco. This is the pineapple peach salsa I was talking about. It's from Archer Farms, which is the Target brand. It's a mild salsa and it is like very like thick and chunky salsa. So good. Not a fruit in my salsa type person or even fruit salsa type person, like mango salsa, stuff like that that goes on tacos. I am not that person. But my mom got this when we were in Tahoe. I tried it and I was sold. It is so good. All right. Pulled myself together slightly. I put on a hat, brushed my hair. Show you my outfit. Here's my hat. I got this at a boutique by my house. My outfit. I've got on this like gray heathered dress, the gray hat, this, my Vans. So cute. I'm gonna go get Monkey up right now though. Hi! Hi! What are you doing? Did you have a good nap? Did you have a good nap? Hi! Who's that? Who's that? Did you have a good nap? Yeah? Is that your friend? Say hi! Yeah. Let's get you up. I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! Come here. I got you. Say hi. Hi. Yes, she destroyed this drink in like less than 10 minutes. Was that so good? Oh, uh-oh. Yeah. Uh-oh. Okay, so I got her the tropical cooler, the fusion at, gosh, I keep wanting to say naked, but that's not it. Nectar. Nectar. And then nectar. Mine is like my own combo of celery, carrot, apple, spinach. So good.
Mama?
What, baby?
Papa?
What?
Papa?
Gaga?
Mama?
Goo goo. Now we're just wandering Target because, you know, that's the thing to do. Yeah.
Papa?
Towel? Towel? Love you.
Papa?
So I am back from Target and Gracie's down for her nap. I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys what I picked up at Target. Not a whole lot. I just grabbed some things I needed and some things I didn't need because, you know, Target. Picked up the Tampax Active Pearl. I've never tried these before. I think they're new. But I'm gonna give them a try. I got a card for my friend's bridal shower this weekend. And I got her a little gift card. She told me to get something creative. So, you know, this is my way of being creative. Because I'm not creative when it comes to that kind of stuff. Okay, next I got 3 packs of these for appliances and doors. I got the Playtex curved spoon. I'm gonna give that a try. See if she can learn to use a spoon that way. Okay, I picked up 2 of these cups. I think they were $10 a piece. Yeah, they were. And I think if you get them at Costco, they're like 13 for 2. But these are the Contigo Kids spill-proof cups. They say 3+, but I honestly, like, she loves holding stuff like this. And I know that they're spill proof. So I picked up 2 of them. Then I got a Archer Farm cilantro salsa, 2 of the pineapple peach salsas. I picked up a tub scrubber. I got a zucchini and a squash for dinner tonight. I picked up 3 boxes of these guys. They are the furniture straps. They were on sale. I picked up a deep clean brush set for the sinks and stuff like that. And then lastly, I got some plastic cups. I just picked up 6 of the blush pink tumblers. It's just nice to have these types of cups around, especially as she gets older, because all I have is glass cups. So then I picked up 3 bowls, and no, I picked up 6. 3 blush and 3 gray. They were all out of the gray cups, unfortunately, so I just got all blush pink. But this kind of stuff is just nice to have. I actually will probably go back and get more, and I'll probably get some of the plates too. These were only 79 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. Trying to get the cleaning done. Homegirl will not let me. Oh, are you giving me kisses? You give mama kisses? Oh, I love you. I love you.
Daddy. Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
Put it back. Good girl. Say hi.
2 hours later.
I am sauteing up some veggies for Monkey's dinner. I'm making her a crab cake. It's in the oven right now. She's never had, I don't know if she's never had crab. I don't think she has, but if she has, I can't remember if she likes it. But we're gonna find out. I'm hoping she thinks it's good. We'll see. So she's gonna have a crab cake, the veggies. We've got butternut squash zigzags, and then like a combo of carrots, cabbage, jicama. I'll probably give her pita bread with some hummus on it because she loves pita and hummus. For dinner for me and Wilson, we're gonna make bulgogi. We just buy the pre-marinated packs of it at Trader Joe's. I'll show you what it looks like. Bulgogi, Trader Joe's. It's really good. Dinner is served. Lady's creeping in the back. We've got our veggie mix that she just spit out, crab cakes, pita and hummus. Mmm, yummy. Pool bomb. Whoa. Whoa. It's a pool bomb.
I know, but what is it made of?
I don't know. Soap? No, I don't know.
Kobe, don't drink the soap!
It's just sitting on this step. Ooh.
That was not very eventful.
It was not very eventful.
Hi, you cutest girl.
Good job, big girl. You're so smart. Yeah.
Gracie, can you say love you? Love you?
Mama.
Gracie, say love you. Love you. Hey. Hey, I'm talking to you. Can you say love you? Excuse my appearance. I've showered. I did not wash my hair. It's wet from the pool. Baby girl is down for bed. The camera died at bedtime, so I just got like a little clip, of course. It's 9 o'clock at night and we're making dinner. We are making bulgogi. So I'll show you guys. I've got this combo going here. It's like a stir fry type combo. It's healthy chopped veggie mix from Trader Joe's. And then the butternut squash zigzags, which these both I had given Gracie for dinner. And then I have a whole sweet onion in there. A small sweet onion. We've got rice cooking in the rice cooker. And then he's got the bulgogi on the grill. My house is a total disaster. I think we're going to clean it when he comes, or after dinner's done. Get it? It's delicious.
Tell them what it is.
I did. That's bulgogi from Trader Joe's. Pre-marinated. Always gotta have the Yeti. And of course, always gotta have paper plates.
Classy.
You guys will have to excuse my appearance right now. I'm freezing cold. I'm in sweatpants and I have a blanket and I'm sitting here editing, or finishing. I actually did finish editing my next video. I am actually going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life with me. I just wanted to, before I end it, let you guys know that for the time being, it may be forever, it may be for a few months, it may be for a year, I don't know. But for the time being, there will be no videos, no vlogs going up on our vlog channel on Life with the Millards. So that channel is pretty much just gonna sit dormant until further notice. Everything is going to be on my main channel, which is just Brittanifayee. I'm only going to be doing day in the life style videos, and they'll be few and far in between. It'll be just when I feel like picking up the camera type thing, and then everything else will be, you know, my main channel type videos, whether it be beauty, hair, makeup, fashion, skin, mommy videos, and so on. So I just wanted to let you guys know that that is what's happening if you do follow my vlog channel, because I know we have not posted since I think February. There's just a lot of reasons why we haven't posted, but a main reason, well, one of the main reasons is just how busy we are. Like, I don't have time to maintain both channels and vlog every day or every few days. This way, if I'm doing a day in the life type video, then it's just one day, I can edit it, put it up, and then I also feel like I'm more focused on it. If I don't remember to pick up the camera every day or multiple times a day, but today was my first day in the life, and it's like my mind just knew to pick it up because I knew that, like, I started this morning and I was gonna go with it. So this is almost gonna, I think, work better for us. I hope you guys like these types of videos. I'm sure you guys do. I love watching day in the life videos and stuff like that, so I'm excited to post them as well. I'm sure you can tell that I am just run down and drained today. I'm going to finish this video and get it up for you guys in the morning. Have it ready to go for the morning. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Good night.